Hey YouTubers, what's up? It's been a hot minute, I know. I'm drinking a Monster Cosmic Peach Atomic. Man, I don't recommend it. It's not that good. But at any rate, it's been a hot minute and I do apologize. We have been busy here in the race shop preparing for the 2023 season. So a lot has happened here in the last, what have we got, 2 weeks? Nate, what has it been? 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
2 weeks? I think we're on week 3. Nathan's here. Say hey, Nathan.
How's it going?
Yeah, here he is. At any rate, we've been really busy here, just getting stuff ready to go. On our last video, I showed you we had made the decision to put a different body on. So that's what we've been up to, and I'll give you a little reveal here. There she is. Body is all done right here in our shop by myself and these two gentlemen and a couple other people that have been stopping in and helping us. So a lot of work, a lot of stuff had to change to do this. A lot of the interior, dashboard, first and foremost, had to get switched. Everything is a lot different with this older style body versus the new one. So that's what we've been up to. I know I like making content and videos, but sometimes you gotta make the decision to get the drills and rivets in your hands. So basically that's what I did. Sorry, I know I haven't done a video in a couple of weeks here, so that's it in a nutshell. Pretty proud of it. Turned out really good. I'm not exactly a body install specialist by any means, but I'm pretty satisfied with this thing. It turned out really good. Everything fits as it should. Those of you that know, well, then you know. What can I say? But it was a lot of work, and that is complete. So now tonight we're here in the shop, and it's just time to kind of get busy and take care of some of the items at hand. What do we got to do, Nate? Rear end,
bleed the brakes,
tidy up a few things. We got some wire ties, shit we gotta
pan on the bottom yet?
Yep, we got just a few things to do, tidy up. Basically we're gonna go ahead and go through this thing front to back, kind of a nut and bolt type of deal. Like I say, I had rebuilt the calipers and I have yet to bleed the brakes because somebody decided, oh, we should put this body on. So been busy doing that. So gotta kind of catch up on that kind of stuff here this evening, and hopefully that all goes well. I can get over here, actually wheel this thing out, and get going, putting some shocks together, putting some setups together here, and kind of get a little head start. Our first race obviously is going to be next weekend. We're coming up on Easter here. Tonight is Thursday before Easter. So the 16th April, Icebreaker 100, Dells Raceway Park, 1 o'clock Sunday afternoon. We have a Saturday practice. I believe it's noon to 5, Nate, or something, 11 to 5?
Noon to 5.
Something like that. But so it's just time to get ready, get stuff going here. It's kind of going to be our little road. Oh boy, he's going to rip the plastic off. I like leaving it on.
Oh, it's a second.
That being said,
Oh no.
got a whole table full of graphics here that showed up today thanks to our good friends at TD Graphics up in West Bend. Travis Basso,
Dry in here. I got shot.
thank you very much. It was a quick turnaround. I talked to him on Monday, kind of told him what we needed. Real similar to last year, a couple little changes.
Sorry, I'm making too much noise, aren't I?
Couple little changes, but no big deal. So yeah, 2 days he was able to chop that all out for me, and so we'll get some color on it here tonight too, I think, and a few other things. So
Too much static. I'm done pulling it.
much static,
Yeah,
Nate?
you're getting zapped like sparkling water.
Hey, you'll be all right. You're a big boy. You can handle it.
I'll let him do it. He's new.
Fine. It's like opening a Christmas package. We like black.
Touch the door.
Why would I do that? That's how you get hurt.
Wait till you
Oh, nice.
Don't get shocked if you don't touch
Alright,
it.
so if any of y'all that do this kind of stuff know how much work's involved with body braces and getting everything just right. So I don't know. She looks good, man. It's been a hot minute since we've had the old school ABC body on it, ain't it?
Year.
A year? Yeah.
We went
We put a new one on to go.
to Five Flags for Snowball
Yeah.
in 2021.
2021 to December, right? So
We ran it all last
we
year.
ran it all last year, but I will say this, that new gen body is one tough SOB. I mean, I know I remember being in a few races and had a little contact. I'm like, oh man, come in. I'm thinking, Jesus Christ. One heat race and we got the whole, ain't hardly a mark on it. So I'll miss that, that's for sure. They're still going back and forth on that body. I believe the Dells and anything UMA related are going to allow that body to run the big spoiler to get it closer aerodynamically as this one. So we'll see. 5 Star's sake, I hope they get this all figured out here sooner than later. My gut feeling is anything ASA related up here in Wisconsin is going to be probably a next year type of deal. I highly doubt we'll see that happen this year. But we'll see. Time will tell. My 2 cents on the whole thing. I'm hoping they can make it better for the guys that have them. I mean, I got one right up there in the rafters. Guys that have them on, they definitely need some help. Again, my gut feeling, I think we're on the better end of things currently. I guess I'll just leave it there. Body is a little bit heavier, but like I say, it's way more durable than this one. So I guess we'll see. But you know, the decisions were made, and here we go. So that's that. So I'm gonna put you down. Maybe do a time lapse here when we get started. Throwing some vinyl on this thing, but we'll see. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Go ahead, comment down below here. Let me know what you think of our progress so far, and your thoughts on the body things, if you have them or not, or if you're just a casual fan. Man, get out and support short track racing in Wisconsin, the Midwest, all over the place. I mean, race season is upon us. Time to get rolling. So, all right, man, I'm gonna put you down. We'll talk to you soon. Thank you. All right, we're back. We got the hood done. Our main sponsor is 3D Ranch on there, and I am gonna attempt to do the rest. So what I think we'll do is throw in a little time lapse, and I don't know what kind of music you guys want. Jazz? We'll figure something out. But look on time lapse. Enjoy. All right, enough of the time lapse. You get the gist of it. So we got everything on here. 3D Ranch, obviously our main supporter here up on the hood. We do have room here, lots of room. So anybody's interested in helping support us, we've got room for you. That being said, you know, everybody needs help. Yeah, you gotta excuse me, like I said, I'm kind of getting over a cold here and the ick, if you will, so it was all ugly, but we're gonna go now. At any rate, car's looking good here. Always a fun night when you get to throw the vinyl on. You know, I'm from the old school, from back in the day here. I'll show you up here on the wall, but we used to hand paint all the lettering. There's still a few guys that do, but not many. There's an old throwback. That's all hand painted. That would take, I remember being, meeting my guy down at the shop and all night long watching. It was painful watching him paint all them shades on there, but this definitely speeds up the process. Again, you know, TD Graphics knocked it out of the park again. Car always looks great. Very short notice, and you guys over there got me my stuff in a hot minute here, so we appreciate that. I don't know what we're all gonna get. Them guys back there working on the deck lid. That was our last little piece to finish. We're waiting on a strip there, but yeah. So that's kind of that for the night, I guess. Here, we'll keep you updated as I go here. We'll get into setup night. Obviously, I'm not going to show you my underwear drawer, but we'll go through it and continue on our road here to the Icebreaker at Dells Raceway Park, April 15th. Well, 16th is a race, 15th is practice day, 11 till 5, I believe, on Saturday. So we'll be up there shaking this thing down. Obviously, all playing the tire game as we have the last few years. We get one set of practice tires, so we're gonna have to dig through our pile, see what we got. We'll run on that most of the day Saturday, probably all the day Saturday if I'm happy with it, and kind of go from there. But again, there's our hot rod for 2023. Looking good. Hopefully it stays that way. You know the drill. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. We appreciate you. You know, let me know down below what you think. If you're interested in helping us out for 2023, again, you know, we're gonna do a vlog. Try to do one a week here, so we'll get you out there on there. You know, we're getting more and more followers, more and more views every week, so the channel's growing nicely. A good spot to advertise your product or your company. So, you know, get a hold of me, as well as you know, most all of our races this year will be live streamed, either through Racing America, Pit Row TV will be the first one. So that first race at the Dells will be on Pit Row TV. So you know, all the stuff will be televised. So a good place to advertise your product or your company. Again, you know, if you're interested, you know, just drop a comment down below. I'll get you my email address. Maybe I'll drop a link in there for my email address if you're interested in coming on board and helping us out. We'd certainly appreciate it. This is not a cheap date at all. That second race we're going to do at Madison is not going to be a cheap date. Just to walk in the door there. So at any rate, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you soon. Thank you.